eBay lip for the M2. I'm gonna put it on and show you guys what it looks like. Let's do it. All right, this is what we're working with here. This thing was like 150 bucks on eBay. It's not carbon fiber, it's gloss black because I didn't want any carbon fiber on this car. I don't really think that carbon looks great on like super flashy color cars. I think carbon looks the best on like gray black cars where it blends in really well, but I kind of wanted to do like a gloss black look. I have a diffuser from eBay coming too. I'll probably film that, but this thing looks cool. I'll mock it up here in a second on the front. Looks pretty factory, honestly. It's kind of like I think it even says on eBay from the seller. I'll link the lip in the description so you guys can check it out if you want it, but I'm pretty sure it's like an M2 competition, like replica. Either way, 150 bucks. The thing with front lips too is like some of these carbon fiber ones are like $800. As soon as you lower your car, you're gonna run into something and crack this thing anyway, so what does it matter? Just get the cheapest one so you can put another one on. But just drilled holes in here, so let's go mock this up to the front and see how it fits. All right, I kind of got it propped up right now just with a jack and some towels or whatever, but get the vibe. Looks pretty good right now. eBay shit, sometimes the fitment's kind of wonky, but for what it is, I mean, after I put coilovers on this thing, it's gonna be sitting so low to the ground, I'm sure this is gonna fall off or fly off at one point. So, you know, it is what it is. When I had my 370Z, I had an eBay lip on it and I was like doing a pull on the highway and it just went poof, under the car. So these are parts that fall off and you just have to be okay with it. But here it is mocked up, and we're probably gonna start drilling and taping here in a second. All right, they come with these little self-tap screws with a washer. I'm just gonna go under here. Show you guys this. Boop, boop, boop. Under the lip, there's little like divot holes for each one. Just drill them right into the bumper. And don't be scared, because my dad and I were putting these in. We're like, Jesus, this like screw is so long. It's gonna like come through the other side of the top of the bumper. It doesn't. So just in case you get this lip, this screw, it's just long enough to like come through here. It's actually kind of nice. It bites in there good. This feels nice. We also have, it came with some 3M tape. We just put 3M tape all along the edges there. Just to set it up. So yeah, we're just gonna finish up the rest of these, putting these screws in. Should be good. All right, it's on after like 45 minutes of belly aching about it. Two of the screws that it came with didn't even fit into the pre-drilled sides here. I'll get down here and try to explain. So this pre-drilled hole right here is hitting like the black splash kind of pan at the bottom. It's supposed to be hitting the blue paint, but it's going into here. And not only is it hitting here instead of the bumper, it's hitting one of these little bolts that's like holding on this little like splash guard on the bottom. So every time you try to drill screw in here that it came with in the packaging, it's like hitting one of these little bolts right here and just like is pushing the whole lip down instead of securing it up to the bumper. So I don't even have screws on the end. I have screws and tape in the middle, and so this is just how it goes there. I mean, you get what you pay for. Like, you know, here I am advocating for eBay parts and it doesn't really fit that great. I mean, to be honest, it fits pretty good actually. The fitment actually isn't bad at all. It looks clean. Again, it's one of those things though. I got coilovers coming for this car and I have plans to have it be sitting pretty damn low. So this thing's just gonna get hit and eat curbs and all that shit. So I'm happy I didn't spend like $800 on it, like a real carbon fiber one, but I think it looks good. I'll put it down on the ground and drive it out onto the street to get a little walk around of it, but it's pretty clean. Starting to rain a little bit, so I'll get a quick little clip of this out in the street. It looks good. It looks way better now that it's on the ground. Every time you're doing stuff, front lip stuff or whatever, anything to the front bumper, when it's like up in your face when you're working on it, you can see a lot of imperfections and, oh, I didn't measure it right, but it doesn't look that bad actually. Yeah, clean, man. Here's kind of a little close up so you can see the gaps. I mean, we tried to measure it as best as we could to get like the perfect gap so it's matching on each side, but between this little end fin right here, it's maybe like a finger width. This one maybe a little bit more. See, it's not perfect, but yeah, it's not too bad at all. The one thing that's kind of shitty, and I don't know if other lips are like this, I'm sure other like super anal purist M2 owners have better lips than eBay ones, but there's like a it's kind of a gap right here, but it's also just the way the bumper is shaped and how the lip is. It didn't really sit super flush right there. So if that's going to annoy you, don't buy an eBay lip. It doesn't look bad at all. Pretty happy with it. I was saying to my dad, it kind of looks like factory. It kind of looks like I think I said this earlier, but M2 competition style front lip. So yeah, looks cool. So yeah, there's my shitty eBay front lip install. I have a lot of parts coming in for this car. I just ordered a new exhaust. I have an eBay rear diffuser coming, so that's probably gonna fit like shit too. I have BC Racing coilovers coming. I have custom wheels being built right now, so I haven't uploaded car content in a long time, so this will be fun. I'm gonna start documenting a couple of things that I started doing with this car. So, yep. Here's my little video. Hope you guys like it. Thanks. See ya.